Okay guys, today we are in Drive Zone, and I'm gonna see what my max is on my Hellcat. From this to the other side of the map, which is basically I go through this road, then follow this, go all the way this way, go here, and then I stop at the drag strip. So, if y'all new here, make sure to hit that sub and like button, and let's get into it. So far, I just unlocked the sport engine and this wing in the back. So we're about to see how fast I can get this thing to go to. And I have sport tires on. I also gotta watch out for them cars, cause them cars can get the death of me. Right now we're pulling 310, 320. A 340? Can I hit 350? I can hit 350. Sorry, I'm kinda a little bit new to this map, cause it's like new. It's like an update. Yeah, pull me down to like 100. So far the top speed is 350, 320. Well, 350, 360 so far that I've seen. The speed's in the top right corner. And I'm gonna just continue to go straight because there is still a road. Let me use boost. 337. Not a bad pull. Okay, this goes 315. Let's see how fast I can get my Lambo to get. No, let's not sell that. Let's drive. And now let's get into it. This is where the real fun gets in. Okay, so right now we're already at 200. I feel like this could easily get around 350. Or at least 320. I think the max I've seen it at is 310 before. Oh yeah, easy 320 right here, baby. Right in this tunnel, 320. 330. 340 is the max speed. At least that's something good we found out. 320 is the max speed. And then we go this way. We're going back to where we started, boys. So look out for them cars, cause them cars kill you in a heartbeat. not bad. I think the max of this one was like 300. It's 340 almost, I would say. Let's see if Trevor's still in the game. Let's go see what this level of kid is. Oh my god, but he's so dang far away, but I don't care. I'm gonna try not to crash. Which looks like I'm gonna have to... Where's my homie car at? I'm about to pull up in this car. My fella left. Okay, let me get my Hellcat out. I would have the volume turned up more, but then y'all wouldn't be able to hear me. Let's go find other people and see if they want to do a trade request with me. We'll go over this guy. Why is he cutting up? Looks like he's this way. Oh, not today. Did my boy really leave? I still know. Why is he just resetting with this guy? Honestly, I'd be cutting up with this with my Lambo, but I don't feel like getting my Lambo out. Okay, time to do. Oh, we could easily get more airtime on this. Just gotta get just right. Right here should work. Let me go here. View. Suspension. Put at +5. Okay, then I don't gotta worry about that. Front bumper getting clipped off. Move it, my boy. Let's see how much airspeed I get. Well, I feel like I honestly got more airspeed the first run. Let's see how much I couldn't open that. Let's see how good I do get it on this ramp. Boom, beat it. $3.18. Not good. Move, you big back. My god, why is this guy following me? Does he want my autograph? I almost beat it. And with that being said, peace out.